Prodigal son. She's so mighty.
Jesus bigger than what people say.
We are bigger than that.
Jesus bigger than what people say.
Alright, so I'm going in with this palette. This is I think this is the Cute AF palette, and I'm going with this color for my brow bone. I use this palette a lot for all my transitional colors because the Semi-Precious palette doesn't have any transitional colors in there. Oh my god, you guys, as I'm filming this voiceover, I realized I broke a nail. Anyway, so this is my brow bone color that I'm using. Then I'm to just jump into this color, and this one is going to be my transitional color. Now, because of my eye shape, my eye type, I like to put color right under the beginning of my brow bone. At the beginning, underneath my brows, just to add a little bit of oomph, a little bit of emphasize. Then I'm going to grab this color, and that is going to go on the outside. The brush I'm using is from BH Cosmetics. It's very cheap. It's like $3, but I'm telling you, this brush is a game changer. So this brush is also from BH Cosmetics, and I'm using the same eyeshadow, and I'm just applying it with a different brush so I get more color. So the color comes out more vibrantly, and I'm putting that on the outside of my eyes again. So this color that I'm going to be using to deepen the crease, and this brush I'm using is from Anastasia Beverly Hills. It's one of the brushes that came in on the palette, in the, what's that palette called? Modern Renaissance palette. So that brush came in it, and I'm using this domed blending brush to put that right in my crease. So I'm taking my LA Girl Pro Primer in Nude, and this is going to serve as a base. So first I lay it on with the straight from the tube, and then I go in with what's that called, a brush, an angled brush, to kind of fine-tune the lines. So this is the lid color that I'll be using, and I'll be taking that on the middle of my lid, just in the middle right there. And I'm using this brush from Sedona Lace. I can't remember the name, but it's from one of their pink handle sets. I love this brush, again from the Semi Sweet palette. Same brush, I just flip it over on the other side, and I'm going in, sorry, with that color. So I don't know, I have hooded eyes, yes, but I love this brush because when I'm doing my makeup, I do my makeup above my crease, so like big brush like these I can use. I know how to use them basically. So I line my eyes with my Marbrook pencil from isakenenofe.com, and I'm just going underneath that line with this color that I just picked up. Now the names, they do have names of them. I'm going to be honest, they do have names of them, but I just work, you know, the names are on the back of the palette. And as you saw, I use my saliva as something to get the brush wet. You know. I mean, if that's gross to you, you know, it is what it is. This is what I do. Right, so I lined my eyes. I just brought that liner out with the same black pencil, and I was like, wonder if I make it neat, if it's going to give it another look. So I'm just straightening the line, and in straightening the line, I decided that I want to add a little bit of pizzazz down there. Yeah, so again, I am getting my brush, you know, damp, and I'm going with this color again from the Semi-Precious palette, and I'm going right on top of where I placed my eyeshadow. I love how that look. This is in rose gold, I believe, or gold, some gold something, and it's from Lippis by Chanel. And look, I did a reverse. Cool, huh? It's pretty cool, and I love this highlight, but I realized that with the brush, the highlight comes, so it separates. You see that? It's not looking as fluid as I want it to do, as liquidy as I want it to do. So I'm going to go in with my brush, and then I'm going to have it look how I want it to. So I'm going in with this color to use as my blush. I love an orange blush. It really, orange, brick red, like those warm colors are so sexy as blushes. So these are all my Lippis by Chanel lippies that I have, and I'm going to be using this one. It's called Voluptuous. Oh my god, this one Gold Digger, I can't remember, but it's matte. So I'm going in with her lashes, as you can see, mink lashes by Face by Shauna Minks, and the color that I'm the style that I'll be wearing is called Showstopper. Oh hey. There goes my wig from Diva Tress. It's something that it's nice, right? I love it. So I remember when I spray it on my hand, so I'm just going from my hand and just applying But this wig is how much years old? 3, either 2.5 years old or 3. But this is the final look, you guys. I hope you guys like this makeup tutorial. If you do, let me know. Drop a like on it, leave a comment. It really helps supporting. It really helps to support my channel when you like the video, comment the video, and watch it in its entirety. So I'll talk to you guys in the next one. Mwah. Bye, guys.
Say them plan for me and the family. Yeah. My God never lose a battle yet.